Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for anyone looking to take their printing capabilities to the next level. Imagine being able to create stunning, high-quality prints on a wide range of surfaces, from glass and metal to wood, and even phone cases, with ease and precision. Well, imagine no more, because the DXZ A3 UV DTF printer all-in-one with Laminator is here, and it's about to revolutionize the way you think about printing. One of the most impressive features of this printer is its all-in-one UV DTF printing and laminating capability. This means you can print directly onto a film and automatically laminate with B film, all in one compact unit. No more manual film transfer required. Just print, peel, and stick. This not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures a professional-grade finish every time. Whether you're a business owner looking to brand your products, a crafter seeking to add a personal touch to your creations, or simply someone who loves DIY projects, this feature is a total game changer. Another standout feature of the DXZ A3 UV DTF printer is its dual XP600 print heads with 12-channel high-speed output. Powered by these advanced print heads, this printer delivers ultra-fast, high-resolution printing with vibrant colors, sharp detail, and boosted productivity. This makes it perfect for high-volume sticker and label production, allowing you to create professional-grade quality prints quickly and efficiently. Whether you're producing stickers for a business, labels for a product, or simply creating art for fun, the quality and speed of this printer will exceed your expectations. The versatility of this printer is also worth highlighting. As a custom sticker maker for all surfaces, you can easily create high-quality decals for metal, wood, plastic, glass, leather, and more. This opens up a world of possibilities for branding, packaging, gifts, DIY crafts, and decoration. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to a gift, brand your products with professional-looking labels, or simply decorate your space with unique stickers, this printer has got you covered. And with its ability to print on both flat and curved surfaces, your stickers will stick strong and look great every time. In addition to its impressive printing capabilities, the DXZ A3 UV DTF printer also features a white ink stirring and auto-cleaning system. This means that the white ink is continuously agitated, minimizing nozzle blockages and extending the print head lifespan. This results in less maintenance and a smoother printing experience, allowing you to focus on creating rather than troubleshooting. And with its compact design and easy operation, this printer is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The openable side panels make maintenance a breeze, and its compatibility with RIP software ensures seamless integration with your existing workflow. In conclusion, the DXZ A3 UV DTF printer all-in-one with Laminator is an incredible piece of technology that is sure to take your printing capabilities to new heights. With its all-in-one printing and laminating, dual XP600 print heads, versatile custom sticker making, white ink stirring and auto-cleaning system, and compact design, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to create high-quality prints on a wide range of surfaces. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing printer and start creating professional-grade prints today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.